A sneeze explodes from your mouth at up to 100 miles per hour, launching a cloud of microscopic saliva droplets that can travel up to 8 meters, far beyond what you can see. In a crowded subway, one sneeze sends thousands of these droplets swirling through the air, lingering long after the sound fades. Each droplet is a microscopic vehicle for germs, floating and landing on surfaces, hands, and even faces. Next time you hear that sudden sneeze nearby, just imagine the invisible storm moving your way. Would you dare to stand in its path?